Racing just started. We have Blue Shake first to show quickness at the start, running by the Real Speed Terror. Next online is Olympic to Siklag. Bella Bandida comes next, then followed over by Let's Reconcile, Green Lane, Sugar Daddy, Royal King, Super Dog to a Royal Scepter. Next online down the inside is Royal Friend, while Bodman's Bounty is the early trailer. And going along for the first turn, we have Siklag by about 2 lengths. All and Victus in second. Speed Terrorist down in third. Bella Bandida. Alongside comes Blue Chic. Green Lane comes next. Let's Reconcile, Royal Friend. And on the outside, Royal Scepter, Royal King in the middle portion. Then followed over by Sugar Daddy, Bodman's Bounty second last, while Super Doc is racing in 13th. And on the far turn, we have Siklag by a length, Soul and Victus, Blue Chic moving up now on the outside. Down in for this Bella Bandida. Speed Terror comes next. Green Lane, Let's Reconcile, Royal Scepter, Royal Friend, Royal King. Next online now is Sugar Daddy, Bodman's Bounty, while Super Dog now running at the tail of the field as they swing for home. We have Blue Chic moving up on the outside. Soul and Victus is running by the rail. We're about 100 meters up the race. We have Blue Chic followed by Soul and Victus. And finally, it's going to be Blue Chic, Soul and Victus. Then comes Green Lane, Siklag, Let's Reconcile, and Royal King for your Super